Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless man that performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, drilling, blasting, and chipping away at the rock. They worked the walls to their solid foundation to prevent the natural rock from falling on the workers below. It has been said that in the shadow